2026 Mother's Day, there is a surprise live cooking.
I want to try this. Awesome. Try this. But make sure mango will be sweet, not the sour top one. Hello, welcome to Madhurima's Kitchen. So presently I am live from Madhurima's Kitchen Facebook page and at the same time Madhurima's Kitchen Instagram. So I just forget. Okay, fine. So first of all, happy Mother's Day to everybody. So I'm going to arrange this my mic basically. So happy Mother's Day to everybody. Today I'm going to prepare a recipe. It's a very easy recipe. You can say it's one of the viral recipe that is Japanese food sando. Sando, that is sandwich. So in short form they call it sando. Let me adjust my light little bit. Okay. So Japanese food sando, and this is summer time. Oh, by the way, Madhurima's Kitchen located in Kolkata, and it's summer time. Though it's raining, but yes, it's summer time. So in summer we are Bengali, so we will have mango. So I'm preparing this sando with mango. In winter we can use we can prepare with some other fruits also. So this is the fruit used, like don't use that tarmooj or watermelon or cucumber, it won't taste good. So only 3 ingredients we need, that is bread, fruit and whipped cream. So here is the twist with the whipped cream. And okay, so mothers are very sweet, they're sweet and sour. I'm preparing this sweet recipe for her. Already she had it, so I already prepared some of that because we need some time to set this. So I'm not wasting time. Let's go for the recipe. So time to flip this camera. Yeah, it's done. So adjust it. So what you have done in Mother's Day? Did you give any surprise to your mother? So first of all, what we have, I have bread, you can see. So this is a normal bread. You can use, if you want the bigger size, you can use with the sandwich bread. So I just trim this brown portion. We don't need it, we need this white portion. And the magic ingredient, I'm using Puramate whipped cream powder, vanilla flavor. I'm not using the normal whipping cream because it is not possible, because it will be 1 liter. So I am really health conscious, so I'm not I don't want to consume that 1 liter cream. So this is the whipped cream. Let me show you the consistency. So how to prepare this? So this is the whipped cream consistency. And then what else we have? So Puramate whipped cream powder, you can buy it anywhere. This is 100 grams, and here it's written how to prepare the whipped cream. So just follow that. And what else we have? I have mango. I don't want to make any mess, so already I cut this mango. So we need this portion only, not much. This I am going to have it later. So let's start with the recipe. I think I have to. This is the easiest recipe I have ever seen. Some of the recipes are really good. Oh, by the way, tomorrow from 11th to 16th, there will be the pop-up is going on in Madhurima's Kitchen. I don't know when I will do the next live. So right now I have time. So first of all, we have to add the whipped cream. Generous amount of कंजूसी मत करना, किपटेमी करा सब समय भालो नय. So by the way, are you following Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima Basu YouTube channel? Because I am uploading the videos of my solo tour, which I did it in April. So every day I am uploading video. If you are following that Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima Basu YouTube channel, you can get it. And for the photos, you can check Madhurima Raimax Basu Facebook profile, or else you can check Madhurima's kitchen, you can check MaddyBee, you can check Madhurima Basu's photography. These are all my Facebook pages, so you can check from there. So now just see how to place. Now you have to like this, place it like this, okay? And then second bread. This is the easiest recipe. As I said, I have seen in internet and I tried it. This is not the first time I'm preparing. I already prepared it. Why? I'm telling you. I will show you. You have seen the reels, and you know, in Instagram you can see the cooking reels I'm posting. Basically, it's due respect to everybody. This is my opinion that 50 seconds, 60 seconds, it is not possible to prepare any food, or you cannot learn. Basically, you can see the aesthetic one, but it is not possible to learn the recipe. Or else if you're seeing the 50 or 60 seconds reel of any travel or places, you can understand how it is. So it's better always check Google and of course the YouTube channel, the longer video. So now I will cover it with this and then press it, so it will look like this. And now clean up the side. The same way we do the creaming in cake, same way you have to do it. This is a very easy recipe. If you want to prepare with whipped cream, you can always do it. And if you want to go for the if you don't want to use that 1 liter of whipped cream, because you know, once you open it, you have to use it very fast, otherwise whipped cream won't stay once you open it. So I don't have anybody in my home who can eat the whipped cream, so I am using, that is why I am using the powder cream. This is 100 grams, and I can with 100 grams I can make 3 to 4 like this. So the Sando is already done. It will look like this. Here comes the tricky part. Let me show you. And you can see that in internet, you can see that you have to cover it with the cling wrap, the plastic kind of thing. So I'm out of that. So what I am using, this is reusable and reusable paper food wrapping pack. So you can get the roll and you can tear it as per your need, and then you can use it. So then now what you have to do, you have to keep it like this. And okay, this paper is microwave safe, so you can heat food also. So wrap it. If you don't have the cling wrap, if you have cling wrap, you can always use that. And if you don't have, you can use this one. This is much more cheaper compared to the cling wrap. So it's done, and now for at least 30 to 40 minutes I will keep it in the deep freezer, and then I will switch in the normal freezer. And now I will show you the outcome. Why I said that I already prepared one. So here goes the Sando. You have to cut it from sandwich, and here goes your Sando. Isn't it cute? I'm going to taste it. It's very nice. Right now this portion is frozen already, because this portion is frozen already. It was in freeze, that's why it's frozen. So this is the very unique and easiest recipe I can say. So let me place it like this. It looked like a egg yolk, but it is not. So this is the recipe I'm sharing with you today. And let me face you. I have to clean my hand. Just wait for a couple of minutes. Not minute, it's a second. So the easiest recipe is done. Now I have to flip the camera. I'm adjusting it so that we can talk. Okay, here you go. So here you go. The Japanese Sando, mango Sando is ready to serve. Hope to enjoy this recipe from tomorrow. I'll be super busy with my pop-up. So the pop-up will be from 11 to 16. Normal food you can get, and at the same time in pop-up there will be a combo of egg tarka with lacha paratha. লাচ্ছা পরোটা আমরা বাংলায় যেটা বলি, সো এগ তরকার সঙ্গে লাচ্ছা পরোটা, দ্যাট ইজ ওয়ান কম্বো, অ্যান্ড অ্যানাদার ইজ দার্জিলিং স্টাইল আলু মিমি, ওয়াই আলু মিমি. So aloo mimi is very famous in Darjeeling, and every year I go to Darjeeling, so I have mimi from there. That's why this is a pop-up right now. So aloo mimi pop-up will be there. People are crazy, they're giving order because I have to share what is aloo mimi. Some people were confused, so in my WhatsApp group I shared the short video to show them, and after that people got to know, okay, this is aloo mimi, though because they are not familiar with this aloo mimi. So that's it, and I'm going to taste it right now. Already my mom had one, and today is Mother's Day. I asked her that if she wants to come in the live or not with me, but my parents are not they are not comfortable, so that's why they are not coming. Already you have seen my mom's picture in Facebook and Instagram, although she doesn't have any Instagram ID. In my page or my account you have seen her photograph, so that's it. So just prepare this recipe. It's very easy and it's not very costly. The price of this Puramate whipped cream, let me tell you, it's 120 rupees and 1 year validity. It's more than 1 year. Manufacture date is 1/26, means January 26, and it will expire 12/27, means next year December. So it's 120 rupees, but you can buy it online. I got it in 106 rupees. So this is what I have, and I'm going to enjoy it right now. Mother's Day is there, but my mother walked. She said, oh, আজকে Mother's Day, so তাহলে আমি কেন কাজ করছি? I said, yeah, right. So happy Mother's Day to all of the mothers. And have you seen my reel? Cat is a mother too. So she is also mother. She is doing her duty. Actually, you know, in this day we are trying to give them our special treat. Every day, it is not possible to make them feel extra, but you know, love can be shared in one day. It's every day, slowly. It's like you know, bank account. Every day you are saving, so you can show this love every day to her. But like birthday is a special day, so I consider it's a special day for her. So extra special she can feel. So that's it. So thank you for watching Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima Basu YouTube channel. So that is my channel name. MaddyBee is also there. MaddyBee and Madhurima's Kitchen, there is a YouTube channel too. And in the coming week you will get to see different kind of soap and wax sachet and candles from MaddyBee. You can check MaddyBee in Google, Facebook and Instagram. And for food and even for candle also, you can always contact me, Madhurima's Kitchen. That is in Google, Facebook, but just don't say hi. So you just write it. And one more thing, please tell me your name. I'm not going to ask your bank account. I'm asking where you are calling from, otherwise it is not possible. When you are asking for any information, I'm giving all the information. You can have the kitchen address too, so why don't you tell me your name and your location. I'm not asking your proper address either, until unless you are ordering anything. So, and for the order, you know, as I said that I will help you out with the delivery app. You can always order by your own, because if I have to order, once the one order will complete, then only I can book another pickup. So it is not possible for me, you know. So because if you're ordering me and if you are arranging the pickup, maximum people are habituated. First they all say no, it is not possible. Right now, even tomorrow, so many pop-up. When pop-up is there, people are if I'll do the arrange this pickup and all, so you won't get it on time, because I can one person I can book. So it is not possible. Almost what 12 to 34 order already is there in 2 different menu. So some people are coming and they are doing the pickup. Some people will do through the app there. So in your convenient time you can always pick it up from my place, so you don't have to wait. Each people are ordering, so they are getting even in 11:30 or 12:30 they will get their food. So this is how it will work. Why don't we work together like a team, and then you can get the food? Because here in Madhurima's kitchen right now I can say that you will get a different type of food. You will get in the live and in YouTube video. Oh, by the way, tomorrow is Monday, so there will be a recipe in my YouTube channel that will be a recipe from Hill. So there will be a recipe which is not live. This is the recorded recipe. You can try that recipe. Live you can see different kind of recipe around the world, even in YouTube channel also. And even when in the pop-up also I am trying to coming up with different recipes. So you are getting everything in under one roof. It can be candle, it can be what I can say, soap, and of course the food. So what you are waiting for? And yes, for the travel you are getting information. Everything is under one roof. So what you are waiting for? I am waiting for your call, and definitely it will be the positive call. Like you will just don't ask what is the price and okay, আপনি বাড়িতে ফুড ডেলিভারি করেন না, boom. No, it's not like that. ডেলিভারিটা কিভাবে হয়? টক শুধু হোয়াটসঅ্যাপে মেসেজ করে হয় না. It is not possible. We cannot talk like this because I will be busy. So you can always talk, and please don't WhatsApp call. No WhatsApp call, please. Just call me directly. Okay, so enjoy it. I'm going to enjoy it, and happy Mother's Day to everybody once again.